move hot desert Sahara. We want to enjoy one day there, and if we can't go to Sahara, let us try to go to Rajasthan, Thar desert, and let us enjoy the day there. How it will be, how the people or animals or plants they are living there in the desert. We want to try for that. Okay, look at the map of the world and the continent of Africa. Look at the Sahara desert covering a large part of northern Africa. Here it is given the not the world map, it is given the only African map. So what it said, we want to look to the world map and want to find out the northern Africa and Sahara desert. Then it is the world's largest desert and it has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometer. What is the area? 8.54 million square kilometers. Then India's total width, what it is? 3.2 million square kilometer only. So it is more than double or near about triple that much bigger. It is Sahara desert. The Sahara desert touches 11 countries. So when we studied about the Amazon basin also, we have seen many countries go through that basin. And when we studied about Ganga Brahmaputra basin, we have seen India and Bangladesh, we are enjoying the water of Ganga and Brahmaputra. Even China also enjoying Brahmaputra river water. Then you will study in again 9th standard drainage system of India. In that time you can understand even some of the river it is coming through Nepal also. So we are having the means India, Nepal, Bangladesh and China, we are together enjoying Ganga and Brahmaputra water like that. Here 11 countries they are sharing the Sahara desert part. Which are the countries? Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. And in that Egypt we heard many times. Then we may heard about Morocco also. Some people may heard, and Libya also sometimes it is coming. Other countries name we are not usually it is not listening. But some of the things you are going to study about Sudan in 8th standard. Again Morocco you may no, up to 10th standard it is not coming. In higher classes it is coming. Okay, so these how many countries they are, it is touching the with Sahara desert? 11 countries. Which are they? Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, then Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. And we have seen that video, it is from which country? That is part of Algeria. Okay, when you think a desert, think of a desert, the picture that immediately come to your mind, it is that of sand. But besides the vast stretches of sand, the Sahara desert is covered with, there are also gravel grey plains and elevated plateaus and with bare rocky surface. This rocky surface may be more than 2500 meters high to, at some places. So in the desert normally it is coming in our mind with full of sand. But in Sahara we can see different relief features what we studied in 6th and 7th standard. We studied about plain, we studied about plateaus, we studied about the rocks, gravels, like the different things we studied. All these things are available were in Sahara desert. In the video clip also we have seen there are plains, desert, dunes like that. Then that plateaus it is with most of them with a bare rocky surface, and the rocky surface height it is 2500 meters height in some places. Okay, let us locate the countries which are there once again. Okay, it is started with Algeria, then Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali, Mauritania, then Western Sahara and parts of Morocco also, means little bit, not much but little bit Morocco also. This was the area where the people, what we can say, the leprosy patients used to sent away from European continent in olden days. There was a leprosy patient in olden days. That time they used to send that people into Morocco. Means that time they thought like that it is an island. They don't know rest of the part what it was. Okay. This is Sahara desert and which countries, and let us see where it is, the space of that one position. It is 30° north. This is the equator, then upside it will come 30° north to, it may come up to 20°. That we will see in the lesson what is, and we can see this tropic of Cancer go through African continent. Africa, this desert area, it is going through Tropic of Cancer. India also having the same condition. Tropic of Cancer. Cancer is dividing India into two parts. Through the Pune, that area we can see that line is going through India. Okay, when we are taking India map, we will see that one. Then next, climate. The climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Here the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. Days are unbelievably hot, and the temperature during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees centigrade, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which is turned radiates heat, making everything around hot. The nights may be freezing cold with the temperature nearing 0° centigrade. Okay, the temperature of the Sahara Desert, it is in the daytime, noon time, it is coming 50° centigrade. Is same more or less same condition in Rajasthan also. It is coming, Thar Desert, it is coming 49 degrees centigrade, and the night time it is coming to freezing cold, that coming to 0° in many days, especially in the winter season. Then the vegetation of Sahara Desert includes cactus, dates, palms and acacia. These are the major plants what we can see in Sahara Desert. In some places there are oases, green islands with the date palms surrounding them. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpion, many varieties of snakes, lizards are prominent animal species living there. Which animal can cope up with this hot and cold? Because in night time it is coming to 0° and daytime it is reaching to 50°. So the adjusting with these two extreme climates, which animals or the plants can cope up with that one? They can only live there in Sahara Desert. And this is oasis of the Sahara Desert, means we can say like that greenish in green color in desert area, and that is here we can see where they live, we can see the dates palms especially. Then people of Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert, despite its harsh climate, has been inhabited by various groups of people who pursue different activities. Among them, Bedouins and Taurangs. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goat, sheep, camel and horse. Normally in the desert area we are seeing the nomadic tribes. According to the climate, they will move to place and they are finding out some of the pasture for their animals. So the two groups of people, they are what is their livelihood? They are having the livestock of goats, sheep, camels and horses. These animals provide them with milk, hides from which they make leather for belt, slippers, water bottles. Then hair is used for mats, carpets, clothes and blankets. So each and every part of the animal they are using for different purpose, especially those who are nomads and in the desert area. In the night it is coming means what we can say freezing, and the daytime it is coming to 50 degrees. So they want to make the sheds with inside it should be make it to cool, and daytime night time they want to make the blanket things very heavy one, because to cover this cold of the night. So they are using everything. They are getting milk, then they are using leather for their belt, then slippers, what they are making water bottles from this leather. Then again they are using hair of the animals for making carpets, mats, clothes, then blankets. So each and every part of the animal they are using. They wear very heavy robes as protection against the dust storms or hot winds. Daytime, even night time, the wind is coming with much of dust. What we are seeing in the coastal area, that is little bit bigger grain, and the desert area, that grains are very nice powder type dust, like how we are making the atta, like that dust. So it very easily it will reach to our mouth, nose and ears. So they want to protect everything. For that purpose they are using the heavy robes to protect themselves. Then the oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt supports settled population. Since water is available, the people grow date palms. How many days they are getting water, up to that time they will try to grow date palms. Once it planted, then slowly it will grow. We can see here in Tamil Nadu or Andhra, and where we are getting less rainfall, in that area the palms, that is not date palms what we are having, but other type of palms we are having. Panandong, like that something we are saying, that fruit we are eating, that palms it is living, even though it is overcoming the even the tsunami or the famine, means there is no rain, drought situation or flood situation. So they are having that strength to overcome all these things. So in the Sahara area, especially in the Nile valleys, they are having the we can see the people settled there. Okay, we will continue in next video.